Hi, my name's Prem Raja and welcome to the Currency Blog TV. As many of you are already aware, on the 23rd of June, the British public voted to leave the EU. Early hours on Friday, we saw the pound plummet by around 10%. We went to levels as low as 120 against the euro and as low as 132 against the US dollar. On the back of this, we saw gold rise in value beyond $1,300 and we saw Bitcoin rise as well. Following the release of the referendum results, Prime Minister David Cameron resigned and said that it will be the next Prime Minister, who will most probably be Boris Johnson, who will submit Article 50 and start the new negotiations with the EU. On the other side, many Labour MPs are saying that they could resign in a bid to remove their leader, Jeremy Corbyn. The political parties in the UK seem to be in a state of turmoil at the moment. It seems nobody was expecting this result. So what happens now? The pound has already taken a turn for the worst, and it seems that there will be an extended period of uncertainty until the UK has another Prime Minister. The Bank of England has already started to announce its plans to boost the markets. This will either be in the form of quantitative easing or cutting interest rates. We could see these measures take place as early as July. Credit ratings agency Moody's has downgraded the UK's outlook to negative now, following this EU referendum. The reason for this is that the uncertainty of the vote could lead to big falls in GDP in the UK, which could thus turn into a recession. The result of the EU referendum could also spark a second referendum for Scotland's independence. Nicola Sturgeon has also said that she could try and veto the EU referendum bill. Until the UK has triggered Article 50 or renegotiated terms with the EU, I would expect the pound to remain weak until further notice. There's also been a petition that has emerged for people to now vote in a second referendum, following Nigel Farage and Boris Johnson now starting to backtrack on all of their promises that they made prior to this campaign. If you're concerned about the EU referendum and the effects that it may have on the currency markets, please don't hesitate to contact me directly. I don't just guarantee an unbeatable exchange rate, but I also guarantee to help mitigate all of my clients' exposure on the foreign exchange markets. I'm Prem Raja, this is the Currency Blog TV. Thank you.